These are movable prints and Michael Jackson made completely with paper. I made these about 10 years ago. Which is the best artist, Michael or Prince? Please tell me what you think and why in the comment section below. Thank you for watching my video. If you like to see more of my movable paper art, click the boxes. Also, please like and subscribe to my channel. It helps the channel out greatly. Thank you.